What inspired me to go back to school is my son. I wanted to be able to look into another career to give him a better life that he deserves. Healthcare is something I've always been interested in, something I've had a passion about. I love helping people. Working and having to be a stay-at-home mom when I'm not working and doing my online classes, it was a little challenging, but I managed it, and graduating with the 4.0 GPA honor student. Going to school online was very easy. The roadmaps to help you get through your weekly classes and get you through the entire course within the 5 weeks, it was great. My UMA experience was amazing. The advisors, the instructors, the career services, academic coaching, even the discussions, getting to know my classmates was great. It made me feel like I had a whole new family. I have worked with career services. They have actually been helping me into my job search. I have actually started a new job, and I'm getting ready to be training in the pharmacy department to work with billing and insurance. My name is Amanda, and I am UMA.